I'm back. Wow, it's been a long time since I vlogged. As you can tell, just got out of the shower, did not comb my hair at all. Did not put any effort into looking nice today. But anyways, I'm back. I'm gonna probably film some stuff in a few minutes. My house is so messy right now. See, I'm watching Elementary on this TV. We finally got our Fios TV Monday, or Wednesday it was. And we got our internet, so that's good. So anyways, yeah, I'm back finally. It's been a while since I vlogged or made a green show or my ad. I'm working on a new my ad, by the way. Yeah. So anyways, here we are. Look, right here. Look at all these boxes we unboxed. This is everything. And the people who had this house before us painted stuff and did not paint it back, so thank you guys. This is our computer. We got our files, everything hooked up. Oh, now let's go to my room. I don't even know where my dog is. Like, I haven't seen her in a few hours. Is she down here? She better be down here. Anyways, yeah, I moved into the basement. My room's kind of messy, but I stuck my DVD shelf right there. See the stairs? Oh no, there the stairs come down. DVD shelf. Don't know what I'm doing with that yet. What else do I have in here? Maggie's little house. My TV thing. Oh! Files box. A remote. Very interesting. Is my bed. I was unboxing some stuff and then decided to take a break and vlog. Channel guide, which I need to move so I know where it is. Icebreakers. I love these things. Fun. Oh my god. Where is my dog? I don't even know. Anyways. Yeah. Fun, right? I know. These things are sour. I have my Xbox upstairs on the bigger TV. And my Kinect down here. Do you see it? Do you see it? Because I'm too lazy to move it upstairs. I'll do it later. But anyways. Let's go upstairs. Alright. Oh, something I want to show you. What I like about down here is this is where we filming the show today. Look at these lights. Lights are awesome. So I could move it to my specifications. Probably, this is my green screen right there. I'm not set up yet. I'll probably be filming on this wall. Only because it's less shadow-like, you see. But this wall has a lot of shadows. So, we'll see. Let's go back upstairs. Alright. Seriously, where's my dog? No. Maggie! No. There you are. What are you doing over here? Wanna go downstairs? Come on, Maggie, let's go. Maggie. And there's another TV. Maggie, come on. Alright. So. Yes, that happened. This was my old room 5 years ago. Or 4 years ago, whenever it was like 3.5 actually. It's just some old days. Actually scared me. I thought someone was in my house. Alright. Stop it. Alright. No, because I was watching Elementary on free on demand or whatever. Ow! And it timed out, so I had paused. Alright. Let's click it. It won't resume yet. Alright, so I'm gonna get going. I'm so happy to be back. I'll be filming some stuff. Look what I found. An old typewriter. Look at this. Oh, my mom found this on the side of the road and picked it up for some reason. Open. Need like 2 hands to do this. Come on. There we go. Old typewriter. Look at all the stuff that's in here. See if I can get this thing working. Hold on. Look. There. It's pretty cool. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh, I did not know that I could do that. I hit the tab button and it made a cool noise. That's awesome. Oh boy, what does this button do? I'm afraid to push anything else in. Backspace. See, some of these keys get stuck though. For real. Awesome. See that happen again, you ready? Tab, right there. That's awesome. Alright, so it's centered so that I can close it. Oh, there we go. So thanks for watching Old Typewriter of Oldosity. And I'm back, so that's good. Hold on now. There we go. So, gonna film some stuff. Yeah, it's good to be back, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Boop, boop, boop.